If you guys are actually wondering why I've been having a beanie or a do-rag or anything like that in my most recent videos, because your boy's been doing a little something, man, up under here, man. Look at this. Look how nappy it is, bro. Look at this. But if y'all subscribe, y'all can see what we're gonna do with this in a minute in the next video, man. Stay tuned. Peace. Once again, we are back with another video. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this. Let's get into it. You guys can go to my channel, look at all the videos, see what the type of content that I've been putting out for a minute, right? Well, one day I decided to open up and see who else could relate to the situation I was going through. I titled the video, Going Bald at a Young Age and How to Reverse It. If you guys want to watch that video, it's right there on the screen, or it might be in the cards that pop up. Go ahead and do that, right? I showed you guys my previous hairline before I actually just started shaving it, to, you know, how it made me feel and during the time of my life that was going on, right? Then we moved on. We've been rocking the bald head ever since, right? But we still had some people saying, hey, you know, how do you, I'm not as comfortable as you being bald. What can I do about it? So I decided to go ahead and grow my real hair back, right? I did it on camera. I don't know exactly which videos I showed you guys that in, but I do have one on screen right here. If YouTube allows it to be up, as you guys might be able to see, it's not suitable for ads, so maybe I took it down. I'm not too sure. Anyways, that method possibly had some side effects, right? It didn't the first time, but the second time I sensed some side effects possibly going on, so I stopped it and went back to the bald head. Gave it some time again, and then we brought it back, right? How to get your hairline back. One of my, I don't think it's like my second or third most viewed video on this current channel, right? How to get your hairline back from bald to edge up, hairline restoration. That one went crazy. I started the video off shaving my head, you know, the little hair that was on there, shaved it off. Then I applied, you know, some stuff, some tricks and stuff like that. And we put the hair back on there, got a sharp, crispy hairline. That one did well. Then I decided to play around with y'all because a lot of people thought, since I put fake hair on my head at the time, that my beard was also fake. So I went ahead and made a video saying, you know, hey, we got self-esteem issues, and reeled everybody in with that. Go watch that if you want to see, right? Time goes by, we keep doing our thing. And then we come up on this one right here. Confidence is everything. Hairline restoration, balding fix. Basically the same as the other one that, you know, went viral at the time. I did like the similar method, but with a different company that tried to, you know, get some of that action there. Again, some more time went by. I'm looking at the comments and stuff like that on my channel, and a lot of people are just, you know, they're complimenting me, saying, you know, you rock the bald head. It looks great on you. You know, your head is so smooth. How do you not have, you know, the top of your head is not a different color than your face. It's all one color. It's bump free, this and that, right? Really appreciate all you guys' comments, right? So anyways, more time goes by, and I just decided I feel like growing my hair back again. So that's where we're at right now. And let's see what we got so far. All right, y'all. So it's been like 24 hours, at least 24 hours since I've done the treatment on my scalp, on my head. It looks a lot better. I'm gonna let you guys actually judge if I'd even decide to show you guys the previous clip from where I ended off yesterday. This is how we're looking. Maybe I could have put a design in it or something like that, put some lines or a part or something like that. Let's see if I can get a full 360 for y'all. Trying to stay in frame here, trying to make sure I'm showing y'all what I can see. This is like the best that I could do at the moment with the method that I decided to use. So next time I'm going to try it a different way, and if you guys are interested in seeing the way that, I'm sure it's going to be better. Again, this is the very first time I ever even attempted this. Unlike the previous method that I chose, it only lasts for like the day, 2 days, maybe max. Just trust me when I say this is going to last a bit longer. I don't know how long I'm going to keep it in. I don't think I'm going to let it stay in there that long because I'm not fully satisfied with it. Again, this is what it looks like. If you guys are interested in seeing the next clip or the next video I'm going to make with a different method, stay tuned. Catch you on the next one. Peace. All right, guys. So what you guys just seen is just a little tiny little piece of what I got coming, what's on the way, you know, a little segment. But instead of me releasing everything and either making a very long video or, you know, spending all my time editing, not knowing if this is something people even want to see, I'm going to base this off of the amount of views, the amount of likes, the amount of interaction, to see if I should continue. But I just wanted to show you guys some of my, starter results. And I want to know if I should keep this going. How many of you out there are just really not, I guess, fully satisfied with having a bald head? Because, I've been rocking a bald head for a very, very, very long time. But this channel is, it's me, it's for me, but I also do it a little bit for y'all. So if you guys don't mind seeing bald head videos over and over, I could definitely have that coming, because, I'm comfortable being bald. But if you guys are watching my channel and you guys, barely starting to be bald, and you just, you just doing other methods like SMP, or you flying to another country and doing all this type of work, or if you just wear a hat every single day, or just if you're just out in hiding every single day and you want another method, that's what my channel's here for. I'm here to help y'all. Actually, we can all help each other, because I learned from you guys a little bit in the comments as well. You guys put me on to different, razors and creams and companies, and y'all put me on to companies, and companies reach out to me, email me, stuff like that. But anyways, I think what I'm going to do with this is make a whole tutorial, or maybe even do one-on-ones with people, depending on how it goes. It's a lot of stuff I got going on, and a lot of different avenues at that. But if this is again something you guys are interested in, something that you want to see, let me know. Again, I'm judging it based on the likes, the comments, the feedback, the shares, whatever. I'm throwing other type of content on this channel, but in the midst of that, we're gonna hit y'all with some more videos like this. So again, thumbs up this video, and I guess I'll catch you on the next one, man. By the way, what you guys are seeing right now is just a video of me. It's actually me lining up my beard, but this was actually the last day. It was taken the same day that I shaved my head. So keep that in mind. That video, if you go on my channel, maybe a card will pop up or something like that. That video was not that long ago. So since then, that's when I started this journey of growing my hair back, and, throwing a little bit of enhancements and whatnot. But, we're just trying to get better as we move it along. And if you guys want to see more, y'all know what to do. Peace. Man, y'all in the comments said the only way that we can grow our hair back, real hair on the top of our head, is if I'm sitting there eating carrots, broccoli, and spinach, and all this healthy type stuff. Let me tell you this much right here. Oreos, honey buns, chips. Boy, I'd rather eat good, man. I don't got time to be eating broccoli every day, man. What y'all think this is? How about this, though? If y'all want to eat all that healthy stuff, I mean, ain't nothing wrong with it. It's all about being healthy in general, right? Good. And I eat healthy. I don't just eat junk all the time. But when it comes to growing hair on your head, if you want to put yourself on a really, really strict diet to grow your hair back, definitely share your journey with us, all right? Share your journey with us if that's your plan, because I would love to see it. But don't just be barely receding and then eat healthy and then fill in that spot. Nah, I want you to be bald. Like, I want your shit to be way back here. I want your shit to be way back here. Your lineup to be all toe up, and show us that it's really toe up. And then start eating healthy and tell us exactly what you do and how you can recover, and share that with us, because I think you might be on your way to being a millionaire.